Welcome to today's session on what to do after Bachelor of Pharmacy. So, in this session, we will try to explore various career and educational paths that are available to you after completing your B Pharmacy. Remember that whatever you do in your life, important is passion, important is your interest in that particular domain. One key pathway after B Pharm is pursuing industrial jobs. So you can explore roles in quality assurance where you shall ensure product quality and compliance with standards. Quality control involves testing and monitoring of the production processes. Working in production means overseeing manufacturing operations. Additionally, regulatory affairs professionals manage drug approval processes and ensure adherence to regulations. The recruitment process might vary from company to company, so you always refer to the company's official website. Higher education can significantly enhance your career opportunities. So, studying abroad offers global exposure and diverse academic experiences. Alternatively, pursuing a Master of Pharmacy degree allows you to specialize in areas such as pharmaceutical chemistry or pharmacology, pharmacognosy, regulatory effects. Fine. So ultimately, this leads to advanced career prospects. An MBA in healthcare management can open doors to management and leadership roles within the leaders healthcare sector. And suppose if you prefer a specialized field, consider allied courses like postgraduate diplomas in clinical research, or even you can go for pharmaceutical marketing, which can provide targeted skills for niche areas. So either you can pursue your MBA in Naipur, Mohali, Naipur, Hyderabad. Even there are many reputed institutions. Even after the CAT exam, you can even try in IIMs. Fine. Government exams offer stable career paths, as we all know, and you might consider becoming a drug inspector, ensuring drug safety and regulatory compliance. And working as a pharmacist in government hospitals involves managing drug distribution and patient care. Additionally, research scientist roles in government institutes contribute to public health research. Coming to the other competitive exams like GATE, which can lead to higher studies or research positions. Even CSIR net qualifies you for JRF, but this is particularly after MPharm, after your post graduation. And UPSC exams can lead to administrative roles such as drug inspector, or even you decided to give your dedicated one in preparation for IS, IPS. So even you can go for that. So after that, everything depends on your interest. Fine. So there are numerous pathways that are available for you after completing your B Pharmacy. So your choice should align with your career goals and interests. Fine. So consider all options carefully and plan your next steps accordingly. Fine. So thank you all for this attention, and let me know if you have any sort of questions in the comment section. Please do like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.